In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign documents using Dropbox Sign. This process is incredibly convenient as it allows you to manage and sign important documents right from the comfort of your computer. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account on dropbox.com. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials so you can access all the features Dropbox offers. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to click on the option that says More. This will open up additional features that Dropbox has to offer. Among the options, you'll find Sign. Go ahead and click on that to move forward. Now you'll see an option labeled Get Signatures. By clicking on it, you're initiating the process of getting your document ready for signing. Next, it's time to select the document you want to sign from your Dropbox account. Navigate through your folders, find the file you want to work with, and select it. After selecting your document, you'll need to enter the names and email addresses of the individuals who need to sign it. This feature makes it super easy to collaborate and ensure all parties receive a copy. If you have more than one person who needs to sign, simply click Add Another Signer to include additional signers. Once you've added everyone you need, click on Add to confirm. From the top menu, you'll see the option Sign. Click on that, and if you haven't set up a signature yet, no worries. You can create one now by clicking on Sign Yourself. You have several options for creating your signature. You can draw it, type it, upload a pre-existing signature, or choose one you've saved previously. For this example, let's choose Draw. Using your mouse, draw your signature. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be yours. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Insert to place it in the document. Dropbox allows you to resize the signature to fit the document perfectly by dragging on the corners. Adjust it until you're happy with its placement. Now the final step is to save your work. By saving, you ensure that all your edits are finalized and that the document is ready for sharing or further action. And that's it, you've successfully signed a document using Dropbox Sign. With these features, managing and signing documents becomes a breeze. Thanks for joining me today, and happy signing.